guys, the Orange Avenue Railroad crossing in Fresno, California is in action. Won't you look at that? Let me see if I can get a better view. Seems like the SJVR must be in action today. Let's see if I can get in action.
Right. Has it been
Or is it malfunctioning?
Oh, really?
There's got to be something going on. And the gates are down. Let's see if I can get a view. Won't you look at that? That's a very good view. You can see over here. And there could be a train coming through. Or is it a malfunction? Well, I guess it's a malfunction, guys.
See anything coming? Look.
Nope.
Anything coming?
Well, guys,
No.
seems like there's a railroad crossing malfunction on Orange Avenue in Fresno, California. And now we're going around. You can see here. Oh, that was odd. Really odd. But, well, that should be the end for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe. Plus, don't forget to link in the comments section on notifications. So, like guys, in the next video. Bye-bye.